Trisha ma'am celebrated her birthday with love, laughter, and the warmth of close friends and family. The joy on her face reflected how special the day truly was. From heartwarming moments to joyful memories, every picture tells a beautiful story. May her year ahead be filled with happiness, health,